Over 18, stop scrolling, because if you're 18, I'm about to destroy the biggest excuse stopping you from creating content. You think you have nothing to say, right? No experience, no business, no success story, no proof that people should actually listen to you, and because of that, you stay silent. People do not only follow experts, they follow progress, they follow honesty. They follow someone brave enough to start before they even feel ready. At 18, your advantage is not mastery, it is momentum. You're not supposed to teach the final chapter. You're supposed to document the first page, your first maybe gym transformation, your first business attempt, your first failure, your first lesson, and your first win. And that alone is content, because there are millions of people your age feeling exactly what you feel right now. Confused, lost, maybe, yeah, ambitious, scared. And they do not need another millionaire giving them advice from a penthouse. They need someone that is real, someone in the trenches, someone they can grow with. That someone can be you. You do not need to be 10 years ahead. You just need to be one step ahead of the person behind you. And that's enough, because authenticity beats perfection and progress beats pretending. So stop asking, why would someone listen to me? Ask this instead. Why would I hide the journey that could inspire someone else to start? Because the moment you stop waiting to become impressive, you become impossible to ignore.